Today we are going to study relation. There are many relations between the points, between the lines, between the subjects. So we are going to see what are the relations. First we will create one plane and draw some geometry. Now see here, these are the relations. Add and delete relation, add relation. So first we will add some relation. What exactly the relation? Select add relation. Select the component. See, there are possible two types of relations available for this line: horizontal, vertical. So we already selected one entity. Now what we have to select? Select vertical. See, it is selected here vertical and this is vertical. Delete this. Now if you want to make vertical, select vertical. See, it is become vertical. Okay, so see here the symbol came. This is the symbol of vertical sign. That means it has some relation. The same as here, select this line. Now again it is asking the relation. What horizontal, vertical or fixed? It is up to you. We will do one more relation. Select this point, hold shift key and select this point. See, these 2 points are selected, point 1, point 3, and it is asking these are the possible relations: horizontal, vertical, fixed and merge. We will see merge. Select merge. See, the points merge in this. Okay, so here it is merged. Go to this glass. This is the symbol of relation. If you will on, so it will show the relation. If you will not, then it will not show the relation. See, it is merged with this point, so it is rotating like this. Now we will see one more relation. Select this point, hold shift key, this point, and see the small window comes here. It will show 3 relations. Here also, if you will make coincident, so let's see. See, a coincident symbol came. Now it is fixed with the origin point. Coincident. Okay. Now you can move this component, but the origin point will not move. It is fixed with origin point and it is showing the symbol. Now again choose one circle. Okay. Now select add relation. Now select this and select this also. Now here it is asking the possible relation tangent. Click OK. See, it is tangent with this line. This circle tangent with this line. Okay. So this is also one of kind of relationship. See, it will not move. It is tangent in a line. If you will create one circle here, if you will directly click the line, shift key, this circle, and here a window pop-up came. It is asking tangent. So now it is tangent. So there are many relations. We will see one more relation. Draw a vertical line, horizontal line. Okay. Now select this line, hold shift key, this line. So here many relations came: horizontal, vertical, collinear, perpendicular, parallel, equal. So let's make perpendicular. So now see, there is a relation came. It is perpendicular with this line, and you can add one more relation: collinear. Sorry, delete all. Now it is perpendicular. Delete this line. We will draw one more line. Now select this line and this line. The relation came here, equal to, parallel, perpendicular, collinear. So we already seen the perpendicular, now make parallel. See, it is parallel with this line. Even if you will draw two circles, see this circle bigger, this circle is smaller. So just select this circle, hold shift key, this circle, now relation came. So here select equal. See, both the circles now equal. So these are the relations. It is very useful and very important tool in SolidWorks, and you have to remember and you have to know all the relations, how to make the relation in SolidWorks.